to my channel. And for today's video, gagawa ako ng very easy and healthy recipe. And so guys, if you're new here on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell button para updated kayo sa mga latest uploads ko. So without further ado, simulan na natin ang ating video for tonight. So guys, nakalimutan kong sabihin sa inyo kung ano magiging recipe natin for tonight. I called it tuna with egg and lettuce wrap. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga kailangan natin and the ingredients. It's very easy. So this is what we needed. Garlic, onion, tomato, red bell pepper, eggs, and green onion. And of course, ang pinaka-ingredients natin is the tuna. You can use any kind of tuna in cans, kung ano yung prepare nyo. And then you can use, pwedeng wala ng ganito or pwedeng meron. It depends. You can add on your whatever kung anong gusto nyong i-add. And this is our lettuce for later pag naluto na siya. I'll show it to you guys. Okay, simulan na natin ang ating pagluluto. So, ready na ang ating ingredients. Ayan, naka-chopped up siya ng maliliit na cubes. Garlic, onion, green onion, red bell pepper. So guys, this is how I prepare everything. So, nakadepende din sa inyo kung anong klaseng hiwa ang gusto nyo. So, ito yung ating tuna in can. Naka-drain siya. Dinrain ko siya kasi marami siyang liquid. Ayan. So, you have to drain it. Or, kung gusto nyo nang isama ang kanyang liquid, so that's fine. Kung ano yung mas prepare nyo, you can go ahead. You can do whatever you want. And of course, maglalagay ako ng 3 eggs. So, pwedeng isa, pwedeng dalawa. So, nakadepende din sa inyo. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng pepper kasi titimplahan ko siya mamaya. Okay, let's start. Simulan na natin. And of course, gagamit ako ng olive oil. Ay, naka-off pala siya. So, yung aming stove is automatic siya. Ayan. Pag i-off mo, push button ka lang. And pagka i-on mo, push button ka lang, magi-green siya. And automatic siyang mag-off pagka nag-overheat ito. Automatic siyang mag-off pagka yung pan is mainit na. Mag-go off siya automatic. So this is the good thing about this stove. Yan, simulan na natin. Painitin muna natin yung ating kalan. So, ayan, mainit na yung ating kalan. Maglalagay tayo ng oil. You can use canola oil, vegetables oil, olive oil, canola oil, vegetables oil. Ulit-ulit. So, yan, mas prepare ko ang olive oil. Ano lang natin siya. I-coat lang natin yung pan. So, as you can see here, nilagay ko na lahat. Bawang, yung ating garlic, onion, and tomato. And I'm gonna be putting also the red bell pepper. So, halo-halo na siya lahat kasi para sabay-sabay na silang maluto. And ang way ko sa pagluto sa kanila, hindi ko sila niluluto masyado kasi nga maluluto din naman sila pagka nilagay natin yung ating tuna. Yan. So, wait lang natin for about like, you know, mga ilang minuto lang. So, hintayin lang natin silang maluto kahit konti. And ang susunod na gagawin natin is yung ating tuna. Lalagay natin dito. Lulutuin natin siya. So guys, ayan, medyo luto na siya. So, let's go ahead and put the tuna. And no need na siyang paluglutuin ng matagal ang tuna guys. Kasi, actually, pwede naman na siyang kainin eh. Ready to eat naman yung nasa can. So, pero ako gusto ko niluluto siya ng bahagya. Hindi yung lutong-luto talaga. Yan. So, wait lang natin for another few minutes. And guys, let's go ahead. Timplahan na natin siya ng pepper. Ito siya. Ayan. And I use magic sarap. Ayan. Konti lang muna ang tinimpla ko kasi nga baka umalat siya. So, ayan, pwede na yan. Let's go ahead and let's add our egg. Hintayin lang natin siya konti guys para maluto. So guys, ayan nakikita nyo. Kaya hindi ko siya niluto kanina yung ating red bell pepper and the tomato and everything na ingredients natin. Kasi nga, maluluto din siya eventually kasi ito, hindi pa siya luto for me. Anuhin ko pa siya ng medyo mga around 3 minutes pa. Ayan. So, madaling-madali lang siya, guys. You can add your own ingredients. Pwedeng kamatis lang and or you can have garlic and onions. Ayan. Kung wala naman kayong if you don't have any lettuce like romaine lettuce, and then you can also have crackers. Pagka may Skyplex and this one, as in, ito lang ang gusto ko. Kasi sometimes, I don't want to eat heavy meal at night or lunch. Gusto ko yung light lang, mga ganyan. So, ito lang kinakain ko. Ayan. So, yan guys, luto na siya. Ayan. So, it's already done. Ganyan lang siya kasimple guys. Ayan. It's actually done. Luto na siya. At saka luto na rin yung egg niya. Hindi na siya basa-basa. So, ito pwede na to. Hanguin ko na to. Pwede nang hanguin to. At saka tinimplahan ko na pala kanina ng konti lang. And of course, yung ating green onions, hindi ko nakakalimutan. Yan. Ilagay natin ng pinakahuli kasi nga, ang green onions, maluluto naman siya eh. Maluluto siya kahit hindi mo na siya anuhin. Kasi mainit ang pan natin at mainit pa rin yung ating food. And ang green onions, kahit panghuli mo siyang lulutuin, okay lang. So, yan. Bali pang garnish lang naman natin siya. So, guys, ito na siya. Ayan na yung ating tuna in can. Ayan. Ito yung ating lettuce. Ayan. So, okay, I'll show it to you kung paano ko ito ginagawa. So, guys, ayan na yung ating tuna in wrap. Ayan. In lettuce wrap. So, ganyan ang ginagawa ko. So, what I do is, this time, instead of lemon, gusto ko ng lime. So, what I do is, squeeze some lime in here. Para pang ano lang ba? Pampalasa lang. Pampaasim. Ayan. So, ayan na yung ating, naglagay din ako ng cilantro. Ayan. So guys, ito na yung ating tuna and wrap. Ayan na. It's all done and it's all cooked. Kain tayo. What do you think?
Masarap. Wow.
Masarap daw.
Delicious.
It's really good. And minsan, gusto ko nang may taste na spiciness. Lalagyan ko siya ng serrano or cilantro. Serrano. Yeah. Serrano. Fresh serrano nilalagay ko sa ibabaw. Ayan, kain tayo. Ayan. And of course, ating lime. Yung lime natin. Ayan.
I like that massive hint of lime.
I know. He likes everything sour.
Even my little Sour Patch Kid.
He also loves pinakurat. He loves pinakurat. He loves vinegar. And meron siyang vinegar sa office niya. Meron siya, pinabaunan ko siyang suka. And we have a funny story about pinakurat. When we were in upstate New York, so malalayo kami sa lahat ng mga Asian store and big store like that. So we have to travel like all the way to, where is it, babe? Laglag.
Some of the one we went to Canada?
No, it was not in Canada. It was like
Oh, we went to Utica and found it.
Nagpunta kami sa Utica and we found that's where a lot of
An hour and a half away.
yeah, it's an hour and a half away. Doon kami nakakita ng maraming Asian groceries. So, but all the Asian groceries na pinuntahan namin, they don't even have any single pinakurat. We traveled hour and a half just to find that pinakurat for him. And unfortunately, we only found one. Sa limang of all 5 Asian markets that they have on that area, we only found one. And then, so short, to make the story short, pagdating namin ng bahay, because we didn't check, he was so excited, he got it, he said, yes, I'm gonna get that. And I was like, yeah, even though it's just only one. And I was just like, kind of like, I was like having a feeling weird about it, because when I looked at it, it's a different color. And I was just like, babe, it's a different, why is this like color is different? It's kind of like brown. And then sabi niya, oh, that's fine, let's just go ahead and pay that and buy it and let's go home. And then pagdating namin ng bahay, yes, and we found out that pinakurat is already expired. And yeah, so anyway, naputol yung ating video because my memory is already full. So yeah, guys, pag uwi namin ng bahay, doon namin nalaman na expired yung pinakurat na binili namin. So we wasted our time, we wasted our money because, to be honest, yun lang ang pinunta talaga namin, promise. Yun lang ang pinunta namin doon. That's the only thing. Wala kami ibang binili kundi yun lang. Kasi yun lang talaga ang pakay namin, pinakurat.
I was gonna use it anyway. She made me throw it away.
Yeah, because he's always like that. Wala man kaming ibang binili. We didn't buy anything, right?
No, it was the only thing.
Yeah, it was the only thing. Kasi yun nga lang ang pinunta namin doon. So na ano yung oras namin, nasayang yung oras namin, nasayang din yung aming pera. Next time, kung bibili kami ng mga ganyang bagay, titignan na talaga namin yung kanyang expiration date before, we go ahead and purchase. Kasi sayang eh. Konti na lang yung natira sa aming, ayan. Thank you again for watching. Bye!
Bye.